Hello, my name's Ed from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. I just want to take a moment to walk around this stunning, nearly new Toyota Land Cruiser Invincible that's just come into stock with us. You can see it finished in the grey colour here with a full black leather interior. The car's got a few other features which I should run through, but we've got these 20-inch alloy wheels which look fantastic. So we've got the side steps and roof bars as well. The car's done under 100 miles from new and is also VAT qualifying. Let that pop open. You can see here. That's this side. See, the rear seats are down, so there is 7 seats in this car. You've got the electric switches here to put them up and down too. Power tailgate which splits so you can open just the glass separately. And coming into the inside, we've got that full black leather interior. Sits onto the door cards as well. We've got the JBL sound system, heated and ventilated front and rear seats with free-zone climate control too. We've got the electric memory seats. It's nearly new. If I hop in here, you can see there the car only has 90 miles on the odometer. We've got a few other nice features. We've got 360 cameras, obviously the sat nav, Bluetooth. We've got adaptive cruise. We've got a ventilated seat on at the moment. The climate controller here at the front. A few media controls down there. Different driver modes and the gear select. Coming back, we've got the 4-wheel drive system there too. In the centre console, we've got the cool box. Obviously, that massive infotainment system. Really easy to use. Very nice and crisp. You can see we've got that 360-degree cameras too. Obviously, we can't forget the massive sunroof. Tilts and slides. Opens up. As I say, the car is nearly new, done only 90 miles, and this vehicle is also VAT qualifying. If you are interested, do give me a call. My name's Ed, or get in touch online through the advert you see. And I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.